video, we'll walk you through how to set up a Twitter website tag. It's a snippet of code you can add to your web pages to track people's actions after viewing your ads, which can help you measure the success of your campaigns, learn more about your audiences for retargeting, and optimize for conversion. Go to Tools, then Conversion Tracking. Select this to generate the snippet. Then, paste it just before the closing HTML body tag of the web pages you want to track events on. Need help? Reach out to your developer or technical resource. This tag is universal, which means you only need to create one to track multiple events, like site visits or downloads. You can even use it across different campaigns, so you should only need to do this once. Let's create your conversion event, which is how you'll tell your tag what you want it to track. To create one, go back to Conversion Tracking to create a new conversion event. First, give it a name. Make it specific to what you're tracking. Select the type of conversion you want to track. Choose Custom if none of the other options apply. For tracking, we recommend using a universal website tag, which you've already installed in the earlier step. That way, you can track several different conversion events with just one tag. Single event tags should only be used if you want to track an action for a non-page loading event, like downloading a white paper or submitting a registration form in Page. Then, include traffic that meets one of the following conditions. All website visits will track all audiences who land on your site, or track by exact URL, or track by keywords contained within the URL. All website visits or URL contains should generally cover your bases. Keep exact URL for very specific use cases. Specify your post view and post engagement attribution windows. Your post engagement attribution window is how long you'd like to credit Twitter for conversions that happen after someone engages with your ads. Post view is when someone on Twitter sees your ad and does not engage with it, but later visits your website and converts. If you're using a third-party measurement partner, make sure all your attribution windows are the same across the board. Save. If you haven't already, install the universal website tag and single event tag on the pages you want to track, or use a third-party tag manager to streamline adding the tags across multiple pages. Want to target the people who have already visited your website and performed a specific action? Head over to Audience, create Audience, then Website Activity. Select the tag type you want to collect audience data with, and the type of visitor you want to target. And done! That's how you create a Twitter website tag. Start a Twitter campaign today.